I promise you can have it all, girl.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul. Nate, before we get to the video, hit that subscribe button, man. We're on the 1K. Shout out to the Boul Nation. How we feeling? Oh, y'all feeling good? I'm feeling good. I know I'm energized. I feel good, you know. I feel content. But today we got an unboxing for y'all. So actually, just got a pair of sneakers in the mail today. Actually, just about maybe 15 minutes ago. I heard it knock. I'm like, oh, right there. That's my old me. So I'm gonna show y'all the box right here. Show y'all the box. Whoop, whoop. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna show y'all what's inside. Alright, it's cool. So box open. Got a nice little thank you for your purchase. Y'all probably might know what this is from. There we go. And now for the box. Yes, sir. It is a Jordan box. It is a Jordan box. And it is a Jordan 1 Low. Yep. Jordan 1 Low in the white, gym red, and black colorway. So let me open this up for y'all. Hold on, look at this. Look at the presentation. Not sure you can see that, but there's a whole bunch of 23s in gold. Let's unwrap these joints. Ooh, it's actually pretty clean. Hold on. I'm gonna close the box in a second here, but here is the Jordan 1 Lows. White, gym red, and black. And man, first look at this. Yeah, this is a really clean shoe. Obviously, I know the Jordan 1 Lows, even the Jordan 1 mids aren't as popular as the highs, but this is a really nice shoe. Like, and to be like, I'm gonna be perfectly honest with y'all. This might be my first time actually getting a Jordan 1 Low, because I had the mids before and the highs, but never had the lows before. But off the rip, like I said, I like it. Got the nice red bottoms, black swoosh. Obviously the Air Jordan logo on the back. Quality wise, yeah. I mean, I did read reviews, and it did say like maybe like the leather quality is not as high as like maybe like the mids and the highs, and I could definitely feel in that. Like, it does feel kind of like, I won't say like light, but it doesn't feel like as tough, or it doesn't feel like as snug as like a mid or a high. But I'm not sure they did that because it's a low, so you don't really need much material, or like they really don't expect people like they're like hooping these or anything like that. But oh, I definitely like the shoe. It's more a simple size shoe. Like, you're not really too much going on. Obviously, you got your Jumpman logo on the tongue. Like I said, also the Jordan logo. So it's definitely just a simple kind of everyday shoe. Like, that's kind of what I wanted. Like, I've been more into just trying to get like more everyday kind of shoes, or shoes I could just rock anywhere, and like these kind of the ones. So yeah, I was looking what else, like see what else is going on here. Like I said, Soul Reg, a little right there. So the soles are kind of hard though. So like I'm not sure how comfortable it's going to be, but yeah, I don't know, like it just really does a simple shoe. Not really, I won't say too much really to hark on really. I do the tongue though. The tongue is pretty like thick though, like, so I guess that's a positive. That's what's in here. On this box came with anything else. Nah. But what we'll do is I will get some on feet views for y'all, so you can see like how they look on feet. Obviously lows, you can style them different. You might be able to wear some shorts in there. Obviously wear like some, I think with these, but you probably style with like some joggers, I think for sure. Maybe some chinos, maybe you can do that. Jeans probably, but like I think with the lows, I think like if you get like pants that kind of like go in like towards the ankle, like let me go like down like that to your ankle. It's kind of like this, so you can be able like, to kind of show up the lows a little bit more. That's my opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna get us on feet, and then that'll be it. So catch y'all.